Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mbono Waxen here in NigerLand.com. It's a beautiful day, a great day ahead for all of us. And here I have another interesting topic to share. Okay, so let me just refresh NigerLand and walk it through. Now, if you're coming to NigerLand, kindly go to the blog and news section. Whether you're browsing from a desktop computer or a mobile computer, is the same. Okay. So once you go there, scroll down. This is the topic I want us to discuss today. It's an interesting topic, too important. And not just you watching this video, not just you reading the article or possible downloading the ebook and going through it. The most important thing is taking action. What matters in life is action. Action is everything great. So let's proceed. The topic is how to post free ads on Afrenote. Classify this session. Okay, so let's give it a click. Now about the Afrenote. Afrenote is a multi-purpose portal for Africa. You can list your business directory. You can advertise your business product and services using the classify section. If you have a news, you can publish your news, your ebook, etc. Okay, so that is what Afrenote is all about. It's a multi-purpose portal. And today here in NigerLand, I want to walk you through on how to do what? Post free ads on Afrenote. Currently, the ad you're posting is 100% free. But any moment from now, we will start charging people. So kindly go and sign up with Afrenote.com. Sign up to the classified session and you are good to go. It's free. Okay, so here I said if you're visiting from Afrenote, it's simple. Okay, when you get to Afrenote, go to the buy and sell section and give it a click, or you can scroll down and click on this image, advertise your business on Afrenote.com. Okay, once you click on any of this button, it will take you straight to what? To Afrenote D section. Okay, where you can buy, where you can sell. Okay, so there are two ways of listing your business, advertising live on Afrenote. One is that you can create account. Yes, so step one is how to post an ads with Afrenote Classified D. Step one is for you to do what? Create an account. It's as easy as ABCD. Just go to register, give it a click, wait for it to pump up. Okay, now you can create an account with your Facebook channel. You can also create an account from your Gmail, or best you can create an account manually. So let's focus on the manual creation. Here you write your name. You can, okay, for example, testing. Okay, then username, testing. Email address, you can use any email address. Okay, let's say testingng@gmail.com. okay, make sure you use an active email address of yours. Okay, here you can enter any password. It's up to you. Okay, then you must make sure you do what? You check this box. Okay, check this box, then you click on what? Register. You're good to go. Okay, so this is one method. Once you have done this, what should you do? Okay, Afrenote will send you a confirmation message to your email address. So kindly go to your email address, your email inbox, and confirm it. By confirming it, you're good to go. You can also return back and fill the backend of Afrenote classify section. Okay, so that is one. Let me log out. Okay, so I'm out. Now let's return back to the front page. Another way to do what? To advertise live on Afrenote classified section is to go straight, whether you have an account or you don't have an account. If you have an account, log in. If you don't have an account, of course you can create, but if you don't want to create, Afrenote can create account for you and send you password straight to your email address. How do you go about that? Click on post free ads. Okay, so click on post free ads. Once you click on post free ads, you must select a category. Pay attention. Okay, make sure that the category you are selecting is related to your business, product or services. That is to say, the category is related to the content of which you are listing live on afrinote.com. Okay, now let's say I have a job or I have a service. I will go to service. Now there are also subtopics. Are you seeing that? Subcategories. There are so many subcategories. Take your time and pick the category that fits you. Okay, so once you have selected category, you have to use title. You have to add your product title or your service title. Okay, over here add description. Okay, make sure you write a good description. Of course, you know now when people visit your listing, they will read your description, so take your time to write your description. Okay, here using the description box field. Then the most important part again is for you to scroll down and click on upload image. Now listen, when it comes to online, image tells 1,000 words. Okay, so with Afrinote Classifier you can add more than 1 to 5 images. So just click on it and it will take you, whether you're browsing from mobile or you're browsing from a desktop, it will take you to your what? To your computer or phone folder where you can select a related images to your listing. So just click on them and upload them. Okay, now here you can add price. You can also set it on negotiation. Okay, you can also leave it blank. It's not mandatory. Adding price is not mandatory. Okay, then here is very, very important. You should add your phone number. Okay, if you want to hide it, you can hide it. People will only click on it and it will show. It's up to you. Then here select city, town, area, targeted base. Where do you want to set your target listing to? If you're browsing from Nigeria, take note, Afrinote have covered the entire Nigeria from Lagos to Maiduguri. You understand? We have covered the whole Nigeria. As you can see, Lagos is here. Okay, so that is it. If you're in Ghana, okay, it will dictate your Ghanaian API and it will, you can enter any of the states, any of the area you are in Ghana or any of the area you want to target in Ghana. The same thing happens to South Africa and few other African nations. We're still adding more like Ethiopia, etc. Okay, so here is tag. You can add your tag. You can kindly go to your title, copy your title and paste it on your tag and separate it with what? Comma delimited. Okay, so that is it. Then because you have not created an account with Afrinote, you just have to enter your name and your email address. You are good to go. Then you click on what? Post ads. That is all. You have successfully created an ads live on Afrinote Classify session. Now it is left for the admin of Afrinote to go through your ads and approve it. Okay, meanwhile, sometimes if you use this second method, you still need to go back to your email address and confirm your email. By so doing, your account has been confirmed and verified. You are good to go. Promotion is everything. Don't just watch this video, read the article associated to this video. Take action. Come to afrinote.com, create your account, build your business product and services, list them on afrinote.com. Here's what we'll do. We're also going to share your business on our Facebook group, Afrinote Facebook advertisement group, with more than 100 and something thousand active buyers. Take note, you will enjoy this, and we are offering all this for free for now. I remember my humble self, Mbono Waxing, here on NileandLearn.com. Visit Nile and Learn, go to our e-course. There are so many courses, so many premium courses for you. Take your time, get one, just one. One course can change your financial life for good. Thanks and God bless you all. Bye for now.